Are you concerned about a possible roof leak? Catching the early signs can save you from expensive repairs down the road. First, look for water stains on your ceilings or walls. These stains often appear as yellow or brown patches with darker edges. If you see bubbling or sagging paint, it could indicate a leak. Next, pay attention to any musty odors in your home. Mold or mildew growth often signals moisture is entering through a leak. Check for visible mold on walls or ceilings. Inspect your roof for damaged or missing shingles. Shingles protect your roof from water, and when they're compromised, leaks can occur. Don't forget to check for rusted or cracked flashing around chimneys and vents, as this can also lead to leaks. Finally, keep your gutters clean and in good repair. Clogged or damaged gutters can cause water to back up and seep into your roof. If you notice any of these signs, don't wait. Contact RoofWorks for a free roof inspection. Our experts can help you identify and fix any leaks before they cause serious damage. Visit our website or give us a call to schedule your inspection today.